In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the third brake light assembly on this Ford Escape. Let's get into it. There is some clips holding the light assembly in. We're going to pry this out from the outside and then try to release it on the inside as well. If it comes out when you're prying, then you're all set. You don't have to go from the inside. So keep in mind those clips. Using some trim tools, you just want to get in underneath here. Just try to pry this out a little bit. You can also take a pick or a screwdriver. Just try to release the clip. Trying not to scratch the paint. Popped loose. It's loose right there. Okay, now we're going to get it from the inside. You can actually leave one of these pry tools in there so that it pushes it out a little bit. Take this panel off. We'll just use some trim tools. Just get underneath. And it just pops out. Clipped in, so it pops outward. And you can access the clips just using a pick. There's a clip there, one in the middle, and then one on the other side. And just kind of push a little pressure on the light as you release them. Hard to see, but you get the location. And just try to push it up once you release those clips. Just using a prying tool to get a little leverage. There we go. Take the panel, I'm going to line the clips up. Once that's lined up, tap it in place. And close it. There we go. Comes right out. One of those clips popped off. That's okay. Disconnect the connector. Push down on the tab. And then you have a washer fluid hose. Just twist that back and forth. And that comes right off. Take the new light assembly. Put the washer fluid hose on. Just push that in place. And the connector. I'll line this up. Lock it down. It's all clipped in. That looks good.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.